Now something happened at the Velocity Fest track meet at the National Stadium over the weekend that has the Maverick confused. Normally, it's me confused people, but this one have me confused. The men's 100 meters dash, on their marks, set, go. Rising Jamaican star Akeem Blake beat a good field out of the blocks to hold on for the victory over bigger names like Zarnell Hughes in what looked like a very fast race, only to hear after that Blake first started, but somehow the race was not called back by the starter. Also, the clock did not go off, so none of the sprinters got an official time, and all the times we subsequently heard were unofficial hand times. Now, first of all, if there was a false start, why was the race not called back by the starter? And why was the official clock not activated? Was it a coincidence? Did Velocity Fest have a guest starter from Bahamas for the Smith? What the devil happened in that race on Saturday? You confused? Me confused too.